Hey guys, in this video I just wanted to show you all the new changes in the loft after switching to a bigger water heater. So yeah, let's just get straight to it.
So here's a clip of my loft. Sorry for the bad quality, it's the only clip I could find of my first water heater in place. It was an electric water heater, and it worked okay, but we had to turn the kitchen sink on hot to heat up the shower for some reason. So I decided to get a more traditional water heater with a tank. Once we got the tank in the loft, which was incredibly difficult by the way, I built a quick frame to enclose it. I'm also building a little walk-through in the wall as something fun for our cat. I'm also leaving 2 openings for doorways to be able to work on and drain the tank if needed. After texturing the wall with the can of spray texture, I tried a paint color match at the hardware store, but the color was slightly off. This at least gives me a good reason to repaint the house. These corners still need a little work, but I'll work on that someday when I have time. And here's a look at the loft all finished from downstairs. I built a quick door with some pine 1x4s, and I still need to stain all the wood to match the ceiling in the living room. I also still need to build a door on the side here, but I'm just going to do the same thing as the other door using the pine 1x4s. And here's a look at the loft all finished up. It's officially a kids room / gaming room for our nieces and nephews, and in the future for our baby girl.
thanks for watching. I've got a couple other things I'm working on right now, so there should be another video up here pretty soon. All right, thanks.